Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super important topic for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. How to securely move your XRP from Coinbase to a Ledger Nano S in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, keeping your assets safe is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your XRP like a pro in no time. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano S is all set up. If you haven't already, download the latest Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device. It's free and essential for managing your hardware wallet. Once that's installed, connect your Ledger Nano S via USB and open the XRP app on the device. Remember, always keep your recovery phrase safe. It's your digital lifeline. Next, log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard, find your XRP balance, and click on the Send or Withdraw option. Before you proceed, double-check that you're sending the correct amount. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, on your Ledger Nano S, go to the XRP app and select Receive to generate a wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Back on Coinbase, paste that address into the recipient field. You'll need to enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on it through your Ledger Live app to ensure everything goes smoothly. A quick word of caution. Always verify the wallet address multiple times to prevent sending your XRP to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Also, in 2025, be aware of any new regulations or updates to XRP's network, like potential upgrades to the XRP ledger. There you have it, folks. You've successfully moved your XRP to your Ledger Nano S, keeping it secure offline. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next video.